Okay, welcome back. Lee, WW2DX, and what we're going to do today is take a look at the RHR built-in FT8 implementation in the cloud. So you can operate FT8 right inside the browser, no external software. You don't need to wire up WSGTX locally on your computer with SmartCat and SmartDAX. You just power a station on, select FT8, and work DX. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're just going to power up a station here on the RHR network. We'll pick one here in Maine. Okay, and we can see we're already in the FT8 mode. You can come down here to the VFO section, and we can simply, if we're in, say, you turn the radio on, it's in upper sideband, you can just select the mode, select FT8, and boom, we have our FT8 interface automatically set up for us. And as we can see, there's a whole bunch of calls being decoded here. We can do a number of things. We can filter these by CQs only. Just show me the CQs that are being decoded. DX only, me only. You can do a filter. So let's say you only want to look at for a specific call. So let's say you're looking for a Bravo X-ray, right? Type in BX, and you can see it filters it down. Okay. So let's go ahead and work somebody, right? So if we do CQ only, let's say we want to work, oh, I don't know, let's work this Golf 0 here. So let's say enable. So what's going to happen is as soon as you click on the call, it'll populate the DX call box, their grid square, what their signal report is, and then also populate the next call sequence. So you can see his call, your grid square, which we populate for you automatically. So whichever station you connect to here on the left, we will populate this information for you automatically. All right, so let's go ahead and, so now we're transmitting. You can see down here, we're transmitting our output. Here's our SWR. Here right now, we're transmitting this in red. So let's see if we work G0 Victor X-ray Mike. And you can see this is our TX frequency, which is at 1000 hertz. You can see he's transmitting down here at 581 hertz. And we can see, here we go, we got, he came back to us. If we do a filter all, we can see it filters it in red. So WW2DX, his call, +3. So I'm now, the system is automatically responding with the proper next step here for us. So we're saying Roger, and then his signal report. Okay, done deal, right? So he sent us RR73. We can see in red here. The logger automatically popped up. It says, would you like to log to QSO? Yes, I would. Thank you very much. And here we are sending our 73. Done deal. QSO is made. And that's how we do FT8 in the browser on RHR. Hope you enjoyed it.